Hello everyone, welcome to the Career Path series by Uplatz. In this video, we will discuss about the career path of a software engineer. How do software engineers balance the need for writing clean, maintainable, and with pressure to meet the deadlines and deliver new features in a fast-paced development environment? On an average, a software engineer spends only about 20 to 30% of their time actually writing the code. The rest is dedicated to problem solving, debugging, collaborating with teams, and optimizing the systems. So let's see what is the career path of a software engineer. We will discuss about the introduction to software engineer, roles and responsibilities, skills and qualifications and salaries, career growth and opportunities, conclusion and call to action. Introduction to the software engineer. Software engineering is a rapidly growing field that combines computer science, engineering, and problem-solving skills to create software systems that meet the needs of individuals, business, and organizations. So, who is a software engineer? Software engineer is a professional who applies engineering principles to software development. They are responsible for designing, coding, testing, and maintaining software programs. They work on a wide-based tasks, from creating mobile applications to designing large-scale systems that power websites, cloud services, and enterprise systems. Their primary role is to solve problems using programming languages, algorithms, and software design patterns. What are the roles and responsibilities of a software developer, software engineer? The role of a software engineer depends on the specific job, but generally includes software development, writing clean, efficient, and maintainable code based on the requirements, system design, designing software architectures and systems to meet project goals, testing, writing and executing unit tests, integration tests, and end-to-end tests to ensure the software functions correctly. Collaboration, working with other engineers, product managers, designers, and stakeholders to ensure the product meets user needs. Maintenance, updating and improving existing software, addressing bugs, and ensuring the software remains compatible with new technologies. Problem solving, analyzing issues or bugs and applying algorithms to find efficient solutions. And the long-term responsibilities include project management, staying updated with the trends, monitoring junior engineers. Skills and qualifications. To become a successful software engineer, one must have a combination of technical, analytical, and soft skills. Programming languages. Proficiency in languages like Python, Java, C++, JavaScript, and SQL is essential. Data structures and algorithms. A deep understanding of data structures like arrays, trees, graphs, and algorithms like sorting and searching is crucial for problem solving, software design patterns. Knowledge of design patterns such as singleton, factory, and MVC helps in creating scalable and efficient software. Version control systems. Familiarity with Git and platforms like GitHub and GitLab for collaboration and code management. Problem solving skills. Ability to analyze a problem and break it into down smaller manageable pieces. Database management. Knowledge of databases such as MySQL, PostgreSQL, or NoSQL databases like MongoDB. Testing. Writing unit tests, integration tests, and understanding frameworks like JUnit or Selenium. Communication. Ability to communicate complex technical issues to non-technical stakeholders and work within teams. Education and certifications. While a bachelor's degree in computer science or a related field is often preferred, it is not mandatory. Many software engineers have non-traditional education backgrounds, including self-taught programmers or those who have attended coding boot camps. Bachelor's degree in computer science, software engineering provides a solid foundation in programming, algorithms, and software development. Coding boot camps. These are short-term, intensive programs that teach software development skills in months rather than years. Certifications. There are numerous certifications that can enhance your qualifications, including the Azure Developer Associate, the AWS Certified Developer, Certified Kubernetes Administrator, Oracle Certified Professional, and many others. Career path and opportunities. First of all, the salary expectations. Salaries of our software engineers can vary based on experience, location, industry, and specific technical skills. As of 2024, a rough guide to software engineer salaries include senior level professionals with $60,000 to $90,000 annually, mid level $90,000 to $120,000 annually, senior level $120,000 to $160,000 annually, and some specialized roles like machine learning engineer, cloud architect can fetch you between $150,000 to $200,000 annually. Career advancements. Begin your career as a software engineer. Follow these steps. Learn programming languages. Start by learning the basics of programming through online courses, books, and tutorials. Popular platforms can be Uplatz and other platforms that offer courses in languages like Python, Java, and C++. Work on projects. Build personal projects to gain hands-on experience. This will help you learn how to apply your skills in real-world scenarios and give you something to show the potential employers. Contribute to open source. Contributing to open source projects is a great way to improve your skills, collaborate with other developers, and build your portfolio. Internships and junior roles. Look for internships or junior software engineering positions to gain industry experience. Prepare for technical interviews. Practice coding problems on platforms like LeetCode, HackerRank, and CodeSignal to prepare for the technical interview process. Conclusion and call to action. The software engineering field offers a wide range of career paths, including front-end developer, back-end developer, full-stack developer, DevOps engineer, machine learning engineer, cloud architect, software architect, engineering manager, or tech lead. As a software engineer, your career can grow into various leadership or specialized technical roles. Additionally, there is ample opportunity for lateral movement across industries, with the ability to work in tech, finance, healthcare, gaming, and more. The career path of a software engineer is dynamic, rewarding, and full of potential. Whether you are just starting out or looking to specialize in a particular technology, there are endless opportunities for growth, innovation, and professional advancement. Call to action. Start by building your foundation with a solid understanding of programming and software development concepts. Gain hands on experience, participate in projects, and network with other professionals in the field. The demand for skilled software engineers will only continue to rise. So now is the perfect time to begin your journey. Thank you.